I'm Rhiannon from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and today we're cooking from home, where I'm going to show you how you can use barbecue rubs on your everyday home cooks. Today we're cooking up a hearty family favourite, lamb shanks, seasoned with the Flaming Coals traditional lamb rub. The first thing we need to do is to remove all of this excess fat. So we've trimmed up our lamb shanks. The next thing we need to do is get them into our pan and drizzle with olive oil. Now the shanks are all lathered up with olive oil, it's time to add the Flaming Coals traditional lamb rub. I really wish you guys could smell the aroma at home coming out of this traditional lamb rub. It's beautiful. Once we've rubbed our lamb shanks, get a little bit more olive oil, drizzle it over the top, put some aluminium foil on your tray and get her into the oven. The oven's been preset to 150 degrees Celsius. Now off into the oven. So we've had our lamb shanks in the oven at 150 degrees Celsius for about 3 hours. Let's get in and have a look how they turned out. They're so tender. When you probe them, you see the juices running out. So these are ready. We're just going to let them rest for about 15 minutes before serving them up. So there you have it, a 3-hour slow roasted lamb shank meal, seasoned with the Flaming Coals traditional lamb rub. Let's see how we went. Delicious. So I think it's delicious, but let's see what the family thinks.
That's so good.
It's good?